gosh, congratulations. We are pleased to offer you admission to the University of San Francisco School of Law for the fall 2021 full-time division. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is vibez. This is the continuation to the mini-series of summer vibes before going to law school. I am with my friend Frank, whom you all met in the very first video. If you haven't seen it, I'll put it up here and in the cards. But yeah, today we're gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna try to do a different style today, so it'll be mostly beach aesthetic. I won't be talking as much. Hope you enjoy. That was the beach, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this aesthetic video. I know I had kind of fun making a little different type of video. See you in the next one.